G'day, it's Chandra Kleinhans, and today we're going to be looking at the new Lynx 3.0. We're going to be doing an unboxing and we're going to look at some key specifications that has changed on the Lynx 3.0 compared to the Lynx 2.0. If we can start with the unboxing, the box itself is nice and compact, very easy to store away, not taking a lot of space in your cupboard or wherever you want to leave it. If we can open the box, you've got your documents, your user manual, everything inside. And then it sits very nice inside the box. This is the first time we're doing an unboxing, so we don't know what to expect, what you get, what you don't get. But you get this nice little box where inside looks to be like you will be having two 18650 batteries with your charging cable. And then on the inside of the box, you'll still get your charging dock, which is stored away at the bottom. Then the unit itself. The unit itself is much smaller than the 2.0. The button layout is the same, takes 18650 on the side as well. And then the eye relief has changed a bit. Personally for me, this is much better. Then if we can look at the main specifications that has changed, it now has a 15 millikelvin sensor built in, so it means the temperature differences between objects is much better than the previous Lynx 2.0. It's got a built-in Image Pro and Zoom Pro 3.0. And then the best specification or the best feature, I would say, is the shutterless system, which means you don't have that split-second freeze anymore for your picture to calibrate to give you a nice smooth image. Now it calibrates without you even knowing that it's busy calibrating. If you have any questions, please contact us, please leave a comment and we'll get back to you.